Namaste children. Today we are going to learn addition of 3 on the ones rod. So we are going to learn on addition of ones rod by using a small family fan. So friend of 1 is 4, friend of 2 is 3, friend of 3 is 2 and friend of 4 is 1. So you all memorize the friend. Now we have to work on this. So first, addition of 3 means friend of 3 is 2. So 2 will vacate this space for 3. So let's do practice of a formula on this. So assume that these all are beads of ones rod. So you have to set all these beads at 2 and now start the practice of formula. So add 3 is add 5 less 2. Add 5 less 2. So add 3 is add 5 less 2. The formula add 3 is add 5 less 2. 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 Okay. Now we did this. Now start doing the sums by using these formulas. So remember, you have to utilize other formulas that you had learned. All will be utilized this side. Okay. So you have to do practice after each session so as you can use the older thing here. Okay. So first question is 3. Add 3 now. Add 5 less 2 less 6. Add 2. Again add 3. Add 5 less 2. So this is 5. 1. 3. See, you have 3 here. So no use of formula here. If you have the beads here, no use of formula. Less 1. Add 3. Now see, you don't have here the beads left over to add 3. Then you will use this. Add 5 less 2. Now 2. So this is 8. 9 less 6. Add 3. So add 5 less 2. 2 less 3. This is 5. 3 less 2. 1. Add 3. Add 5 less 2. 2. This is 7. Next 8 less 6. Add 3. So add 5 less 2. Again add 3. You have here 3. So add this. Less 2. Now this is 6. Next question is 2. Add 3. Add 5 less 2. 4 less 5. Add 3. So add 5 less 2. This is 7. 4 less 2. Add 3. So add 5 less 2. Add 4 less 7. Now 1, 2. Add 1. 3. Add 5 less 2. Less 6. Answer is 1. Now 2. Add 2 again. Add 3. Add 5 less 2. Less 5. Add 3. So add 5 less 2. This gives you 5. Next question is 5. 2 less 6. Add 3. You have 3 here. Add 1. So add 5 less 4. It gives you 5. Okay. Now we have used here the previous formula. Okay. Now 4. 3 add 5 less 2. Less 2. 1. Add 3. See, you have here 3. So no use of formula this side. We already used previously. 9. Again check here. The 4. 3. We used here the formula. Add 5 less 2. Now less 2. Add 1. Now the second 3 you can add. You have here. Okay. 9. Now 6. Add 3. You have 3 here. Okay. Already in hand you have 3. So no use of formula. 3 less 8. 3. Add 2. See, this add 2 you had learned in the previous class. Friend of 2 is 3. So add 5 less 3. It gives you 6. Okay children, we did it. Now I hope you are very clear in this. If any doubt, write in the comment box. I will tell you again. Thank you. Keep on practicing and share with your friend.